Hello, grade 8. Today, inshallah, I will solve exam April 2016, paper 1 and paper 2. Please open question 3. Look at the diagram of the sun and the earth. A, write down the name of X, the orbit. The earth turns on its own axis. How many hours does it take the earth to complete one rotation? It will be 24 hours. C, complete the sentence. Choose the best answer from the list. The sun is a source of light. D, a planet is seen because light is reflected by its surface. Question number 5. Lily makes an electromagnet as shown. Okay. Iron rod, coil of wire, 6 turns, cell, and switch, and paper clip. Lily uses the electromagnet to pick up paper clip. A. Lily predicts increasing the number of turns of wire around the iron rod will make it stronger. This prediction doesn't explain what is stronger, which is true. ليلي لما جت تتكلم قالت it. طيب ايه الريفرنس بتاعها؟ يعني it دي قصدها بيها ايه بالظبط؟ فعشان كده هو بيسألك بيقول لك لو سمحت complete the sentence to explain what is stronger. ده اللي هو عاوزه. لو سمحت قول لي كده السنتنس دي ايه هو اللي ممكن يبقى stronger. ف increasing the number of turns of wire around the iron rod will make. ممكن تقول له will make the electromagnet stronger. صح. ممكن تقول له will pick more paper clips. صح. ممكن تقول له will increase the magnetic field of the electromagnet. صح. Question B. Lily does the investigation. Look at her results. جايب لي table متكون من number of turns and number of paper clips picked up وحاطط numbers في البورد. طيب فبيقول لك is Lily's production correct؟ باين جدا لما كانت 2 كان 0 كان 4 بقت 2 6 4 and 8 5 فمعنى كده as she increased the number of turns also the paper clips number will be increased برضه. ففي الاكسبلين هتقول له yes her production is true ولازم تقول له كده بقى. هتقول له as she increased the number of paper clips of turns, she will increase the number of turns. The electromagnet will pick more paper clips. لكن في نقطة بقى حضرتك لو ما كتبتهاش you will lose the mark. You have to bring the evidence from the table. لازم تستخدم النمبرز اللي عطيها لك. بمعنى هتقول له هتقول له when she used 2 turns can there will be no attraction اصلا لاي paper clip. Why? When she used 6 turns the electromagnet picked up 4 paper clips. لازم تجيب evidence. Without the evidence you will lose the mark. Okay? Question C. Lily wants to improve the investigation. Describe what Lily could do to improve the investigation. طبعا by repeating her investigation one more time. Let me switch to question number 9. Okay. Light is reflected by water. وجايب لي diagram. Diagram shows some passes the ray of light may take. Which letter shows the reflected ray of light? عشان أعرف ال reflected ray أنا لازم أعرف فين ال incident ray الأول. So it's clear enough in A is the incident ray. Okay. So when A will hit the water surface, will reflect it back. So the answer would be T. So the reflected ray of light is T. The law of reflection is about the angle of incidence I and the angle of reflection R. Circle the correct sentence. هتقول له إن I is always the same as R. Question number 10. Carlos does an experiment on pressure. جايب لي two series, series A, series B, والاثنين فيهم water. Two series are filled with water. Series A has a cross-sectional area 2 centimeters square. Carlos pushes the plunger down with a force of 10 newtons. Calculate the pressure in the series. You could, sorry, you should include your working and the units. حضرتك لازم تبقى عارف من غير ما يكتب حتى الworking حضرتك لازم هتكتب rule and then you will substitute and then you will write the final answer and write the measuring unit. So the main rule here is pressure equal force over, sorry, force over أو divided by area, okay? And you will substitute by using the number. So you will write 10 Newton over 2 centimeters square. So the answer here would be 5 Newton per centimeter square. Okay. Question number 12. Sound is made by loudspeaker. جايب لي loudspeaker, air particles here. The air particles move. What does the loudspeaker do to make sound? طبعا بتvibrate. Loudspeaker vibrates. The air particles move. Complete the sentence. Choose the first word. When air particles are close together, it is called close together. It's called compression. Okay. Please open paper 2. Question 1. When Chain investigates light and colored filter. When Chain white light through he shines white light through a red filter and then a blue filter. The white light will fall on the red filter. As we said before, red filter هيعمل ايه؟ The filter will absorb the whole spectrum color except its own color, which is red. The red filter will let the red light to pass through it. Okay? So here the red filter will let the red light to pass through it. So A, what is the color of the light at A and B? Simply here سوري هخليها more clear اكتر عشان الحلوين اللي ممكن ما يكونوش مدركين ده. So هنا كده الريد light هو اللي هيعدي من الريد سيرفيس. Fine. So B, I need to know the answer of B. B هنا هتبقى ايه؟ blue filter. يعني الريد داخل على blue filter. So what is the main concept of filters؟ هيعملوا ايه؟ will absorb the whole colors except its own color will let it pass. Okay? طيب معنى كده ان البلو filter will absorb the red light. If there will be any color to pass, of course not. مفيش ولا color هيعدي. Okay? So B will be no light is acceptable. If you write no light is acceptable. If you write nothing will acceptable. If you will write black is acceptable. الثلاث اجابات دولت هم correct. اوكي طيب ندخل على question number 4. Animals can hear sound with different pitches. Okay, complete the sentence. Choose from the list. جايب لي amplitude وfrequency وheight وloudness وvibration. The pitch of a sound is also called frequency. Pitch of sound is also called frequency. B. Hassan finds this information about animals from the internet. He shows the range of hearing of different animals. وجايب لي chart. Okay. Name of animals. Cow, cat, tuna, sheep, owl, bat, with increasing pitches. The cat has a large range of hearing. Which animal has the smallest range of hearing? Choose from the graph. باين جدا جدا أقل animal عنده hearing هو مين؟ tuna. Okay. The next question is question number 7. Complete the sentences and answer the question about the thermal or heat energy. Show from the following words. The main form of heat energy transfer in liquid and gases is called convection. Heat energy is transferred through solid, conduction. Iron is a metal, so it is a good conductor. Conductor, yes. D, what is the term of poor conductor? Insulator. Okay. Please open question 10. Safia and Priya investigate friction. Here's the equipment they use. أعطيني equipment اللي استخدموها. table wooden block masses force meter وباين ان ده الدايركشن بتاع البولينج فورس وحاطط هنا material. They put the wooden block with a force meter. They repeat the investigation using different materials. A. Write two measurements should they make وعليها درجتين. الميجرمنتس المفروض ان هم يعني يكالكوليتد او المفروض ان هم يعملوها في الانفستيجيشن ده. طبعا هم اثنين، الفورس and الماس. الماس هنا والفورس. خلاص. B. The materials they use have different surfaces. Some of the materials are smoother and some of the materials are rougher. Predict what will happen when the smoother materials are used. هتقول له the force needed to move the wooden block will be less. طبعا يعني الفورس اللي انا عايزها عشان احرك الwooden block ده هتبقى يعني بسيطه جدا. وبيقول لك explain your production. هتقول له كده as there will be less friction force. Okay. With question number 12. Ring magnets have a north pole and south pole at. Okay. Gabriella has a toy that uses ring magnets. She put 4 of these ring magnets on the toy. Explain why there are gaps between the magnets. خلي بالك في السؤال ده انت عندك 2 marks لان ده 2 questions in one question. Explain and why. فحضرتك هتقول له they all repel each other. This is your explanation. لان ليه في ما بينهم gap. طيب ليه؟ هتقول له as similar pools repel. ده الاكسبلين. سوري ده telling why, the reason, the scientific reason. خلاص. B. She put the 4 strings magnets on the toy in a different way. Explain why برضو. There are no gaps between the magnets. هتقول له ليه ما فيش gaps between الماجنت. هتقول له كده they will be attracted. Okay. طيب ليه؟ هتقول له as different or unlike both will attract. The last question. Snails move slowly. A snail moves 10 meters in 4 hours. Calculate the average speed of this snail. طبعا main rule of speed. Speed equal to distance over time. Average speed ممكن تكتبها total distance of over time. بس عادي. It's okay if you would write it distance over time. It's okay. So you will write 10 meters over 4 So the average speed in meter per hour will be 2.5. واجين مش لازم تعمل converting من الاورز للسكند، لا هو عاوزها متر بالاور، خلاص انا هكتب متر بالاور، اوكي مش هعمل اي converting، فهقول 10 divided 4 تطلع لي 2.5. جميل. B. Another snail moves at a speed of 1.5 meters per hour. Calculate the time it takes this snail to move 6 meters. المرة دي أعطيني السبيد وأعطيني الديستنس. So المفروض إن التايم taken هيبقى إيه؟ Speed equal distance over time. So time will be distance over speed. So you write 6 divided 1.5. So it means it will take time. It will take 4 hours. Okay. Thanks for watching. لو عندك أي question, you may send it on WhatsApp or on Facebook. عادي يعني. I will accept any question. Thank you so much.